This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing every Office app so the installer can change files. This avoids conflicts. You need admin rights. If you're not admin, sign in or get credentials. Check that Windows Update is current and that you have at least 1 GB free. Outdated components cause error 30015. Once done, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the Office Repair from Control Panel. This begins automated fixes and collects logs so you can see what failed and why. You'll run Quick Repair first because it's fast and non-destructive. If that fails, use Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. While that runs, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to fix corrupted system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. These steps patch the underlying Windows issues that trigger 30015. Make sure to reboot between stages. If a recent Office update triggered the fault, uninstall that update and retry repair, since rollbacks often resolve conflicts. To finish, if repairs did not clear error 30015, perform a clean uninstall using the Office removal tool and then reinstall Office. This ensures no remnants remain. After reinstall, activate and open documents to confirm functionality. Check Event Viewer and Office Log files to verify a clean start. These logs explain remaining failures. If you still see issues, one key tip: pause OneDrive or other cloud sync during repair and reinstall, because file locks and syncing can recreate the same error, then resume sync once stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.